I've been making YouTube videos for about a year now, and it's time for my second ever analytics review video. In this video, I'm going to review how my videos have been performing and give you an update on what's to come and what my expected best video will be. Yeah, so you can see here my last video is ranked 7 out of 10. It's been live for like almost 3 days now, so it's not done very well. 7 views. Click-through rate is roughly about the same, so 1.7. The view duration has gone up. So let's do a quick deep dive into this last video. People sort of finding it through browse. Let's look at engagement here. Yeah, view duration's 12 seconds longer than my typical view duration. Bit of a stinker. So let's go into the total channel analytics now. So currently at 51 subscribers, 2 in the last 28 days. Views is around 2k in the last 28 days with a watch time of 36.4 hours in the last 28 days. So top videos are still my like 2 years sober videos still getting views, which is ridiculous. Like filmed during the winter time anyway, so good to see that it's still ticking along with views as well. So let's go into total channel analytics. Yeah, so I did release a couple of shorts. Performed okay, they got 400 odd views each. Some of my chess content was getting more views than I thought it would. So I had this one here that was I played the dumbest chess opening ever. And the watch time was much better than that. It got to 290 viewers and then died a death completely flatlined there. So what happened with engagement as well? Let's have a look. View duration was actually less, so people didn't enjoy it as much as some of the other videos, which is really interesting. I wonder why that is. I think I've realised now that the chess videos that I'm doing probably have a really low limit. Like, I'm not an expert in chess, so why would people be watching chess videos? If you look at the inspiration for chess videos here, it's Gotham Chess that's completely dominating that. Most of them are about Grandmaster related content, absolute experts in the field. There is this one by Outright Ignite, which is a really good title. So if I go to my upcoming content as well, you can see that I've tried to be inspired by Outright Ignite here and create 2 videos, which will go live on the 23rd of August. So they'll be live now, which is interesting to think. By the time you're seeing this, they've gone live, but I don't really have the stats at the moment. I think those 2 will do well based on the title. Now, what is watch time saying? It's saying that people are clicking in and then immediately clicking off. So probably my editing isn't good enough at this stage. So that's something that I'm going to focus on for the next few videos and see what happens. Next, I've got 2 videos that are quite interesting titles, I thought. I've started using AI for thumbnails as well. Out of all the videos here, I have 4 more chess videos, and that'll be the last chess video on the channel probably. I've then taken some inspiration from the sobriety video, which completely dominates my views. So I'm moving away from chess content, you'll be interested to hear. And I'm now moving on to more lifestyle. So I've got 7 books that changed my life, 8 sales tips for introverts. And then I've got a video renovating my kitchen as well. So that's quite interesting. It is kind of lifestyle-y as well. So I'm now moving into that space, testing that out in terms of views, and hopefully my editing process gets better. It'll be interesting to see what the next 2 videos do in terms of chess. I think the video on the 23rd of August will probably perform much better than all my other chess videos. Similarly with the one on the 30th of August, and then my content's going to change again. So if I do gain subscribers through videos on the 23rd and the 30th of August, they probably won't know what's hit them on the 6th of September. So it's a bit of a confusing time for the channel at the moment. So that's probably why I wanted to make this video. Speaking about lifestyle stuff, I've got some unique experiences that I think can benefit other people as well. So I'm going to prioritise that moving forward, and maybe get in some like exercise tips and stuff like that, doing some runs. So if you'd like to see that, leave me a comment below. But thanks for taking the time to look through my analytics with me. I'm excited about the next 7 videos coming up. This will be the 8th. Hopefully I can edit this, chop it up really nicely, and you'll come back to watch another one at some point. But until then, leave a like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.